ano yung sasabihin at gagawin for his lawyer.
Bibi, ano pong plano niyo? Bakit po kayo nagpunta dito? Gusto niyo po ba sana makausap din si Father?
And then sinabihan ko din siya na wag tumanggap ng pagkain sa tubig kahit kanino. I understand nag-prepare sila ng go bag. Nag-usap kami kanina doon sa assistant maghanda ng go bag. So
Bibi, hindi kayo pinapasok? Ano pong plano niyo dito ngayon?
well, nag-aantay ako. Papasukin nila dahil gusto ko makausap personal. Mahirap kasi sa video call kasi choppy. Ginajam nila yung signal. Kailangan ko siya kausapin.
Ma'am, kahit ano mangyari. Maraming sa iwanan. Ano pong sabi sa
Maraming salamat.
Bibi Sara, sabi ng attorney Raul Lambino, nagrant na daw yung TRO. Any update po dito?
Wala po akong update sa temporary restraining order ng Supreme Court. But as I said, lahat ng mga tao dyan sa loob ng base at dyan sa airport, kung Pilipino ka, hindi ka papayag na ginagawa ito.
Were you surprised, Bibi? Di po tumanggi daw po were you surprised by this scenario, or is it something that you expected?
The moment that I was still in the cabinet when this was mentioned, and the moment that I talked to the Justice Secretary, and then I noticed that he had very vague answers. We already started to prepare, but I have a different set of lawyers than President Duterte, so we have a book about what to do and all the research materials about ICC. So that is what we did, and then we shared our drafted petition. We had two for me. We shared it with the team of PRR.
VP, I know this may be a sensitive question, but have you reached out to the President itself regarding the matter?
No,
Why not?
because the way that they are doing it right now, there's no talking to the President. Because it's very easy for him to say, do not turn him over to the ICC. You can detain him here, wherever in the Philippines, but do not send him wherever the ICC says.
You have a message to BBM